Welcome to Sarvani Vidyalaya, a digital high-tech learning school. Vision statement: to make every learner of this country a world-class creative and critical thinker. Mission: to make every learner walk through the learning heights with the help of digital and high-tech learning process through eClip, LOIC, GRIP, E5H programs. eClip, Electronic Concept Learning Integrated Package. This school caters to the need of 3 to 5 years age group. All language skills are given importance with fun way learning in an integrated pattern. The school has 3 levels, level O, level 1 and level 2. Children can spend 1 to 2 hours a day with the learning packages. All developmental activities like creative, collateral, cultural and physical are incorporated in the program itself. Learning packages for this group will be 7 to 10 minutes MP4 files. Workbook will be a PDF file. There will be 21 academic weeks and 21 non-academic weeks to work alternatively. Each week will have plan of action. E-library provides extra learning. LOIC School, Life-Oriented Inquiry Center, National Award winning. LOIC, an innovative program presented at international body for 6 to 10 years learners. All life concepts are integrated in language skills and arts, given emphasis on number work and science and social concepts. All developmental activities like creative, collateral, cultural and physical are incorporated in the program itself. LOIC School has 5 levels, level 1 to level 5. Learning packages for this group will be 10 to 30 minutes MP4 files. Workbook will be a PDF file. There will be 18 academic weeks and 18 non-academic weeks to work alternatively. Each week will have plan of action. E-library provides extra learning. GRIP Program School, Grow Researching Innovative Project Program, a gifted child's program now given to all learners between 11 to 13 age group. There are 10 GRIPs in the program covering each of the learning subjects at higher levels. This group is a very potential group and has many activities, learning by doing through projects. GRIP Program School, Grow Researching Innovative Project. GRIP School has 3 levels, level 1 to level 3. More emphasis on creative and critical thinking through projects. Learning packages for this group will be 30 to 40 minutes MP4 files. Workbook will be a PDF file. There will be 18 academic weeks and 18 non-academic weeks to work alternatively. Each week will have plan of action. E-library provides extra learning. E5H School, educating through head, heart, hands, health and health. The program is for 14 to 15 years age group and gives an alternative learning and go beyond pattern. It is an inclusive program and paves way for every activity to be incorporated. E5H learning is project-based learning. The program has comprehensive learning packages on various subjects on different topics. There will be broad-based program on English language and literature, math, science and social sciences. All programs have learning packages in MP4 files ranging from 7 minutes to 40 minutes, workbooks in PDF files. plan of action in PDF files, e-library for reference and extra learning. Learning concepts are given at higher levels and provided for all learning groups. According to learner's ability, that is gifted, clarity or guided, the course can be completed. Come and register and learn. Our motto is help every learner of this beautiful world. Our vision, make learning fun-loving, easy, comprehensive. Our learning packages, it's said that the prime aim of life is knowledge, where the first step of gathering knowledge we take in this auspicious day.